Greetings, Saber Forum. EeRocKK back at you again with another Soundfont today. We are going to be reviewing another amazing, rather interesting font. This time from Ninja-Jedi. And the font is called Darktron. Now, he assembled this a few days ago, and I've been struggling to find time. It's pretty late right now, but doesn't matter. Duty calls. Yeah, and while you're looking, I got some more clothes to wear, I guess. This time it's just a little bit more Jedi, because I am a Jedi, as always. So anyway, I'm done with that. This is the Darktron font. It's packed. It has 12 swings, 12 clashes. It has one lockup, one hum, of course the power up, power down, and the boot, which is also proprietary to the font. I like to just throw in the obsidians, just put Windows beep in there if you want, just convert it to LSU. But yeah, Ninja-Jedi goes one step further, and he provides us a nice boot up, which I never have because I don't have a kill key. If I had a Saber with a kill key, I guess I could show you the boot up, but alas, I do not. Just before we begin as well, I'm using my Ultra Saber's Guardian in Guardian Blue, and I have the Adigan Silver flash right now, but because I do a lot of these sound fonts, somebody on Saber Forum, I cannot remember the name right now, and I'm kicking myself. I hope you comment on this and tell me what a forgetful Jones I am. On the other hand, I have drilled holes around the pommel here. And absolutely, it does sound just as loud as my my Archon pommel does, and it doesn't have the cupped sound because of the pinch here, and then the open kind of. Sorry, let's put that from the camera there. It's pinched here, and then it's open here, so sound will naturally create a cupped sound. Those holes actually let it out naturally. Ultra Sabers, it's just 6 more drills. That's all you gotta do. It makes a world of a difference. I am using the older style pommel, so maybe that also makes a difference, but at any rate, 6 little drill holes, and the pommel sounds just like all the other ones that I have. Anyway, sorry, Darktron by Ninja-Jedi. So, the power on. Nice sounding. It's loud as heck, this font is. The hum has a little bit of a screech in it. It's a really long hum as well. As is the font, it's quite full. The hum has kind of a metallic industrial screech. It's pretty cool. So we have 12 swings. It's been a while since I hit that. And it has also 12 clashes. Has a really neat echoey metallic sound to it. Perfect for anybody who craves a kind of a sinister sounding Saber. I mean, I'm no longer in the habit of saying, oh, this is a Sithy sound, because you can put a sound, any sound you want on any lightsaber. It's what you do that makes you a Jedi or a Sith, technically, but some sounds sound a little bit more menacing than others. This is a fact. So if you are a Sith or a Jedi and you want a little bit more of a menacing sound font on your Saber, this one's kind of cool. So let's show you the lockup right now. the power down. So, plenty of different sound fonts to choose from. Very, very uniform right across the board, which is always nice. That's what I really love about fonts. The swings are long and broad though. I guess with my TPLA stuff I'm used to shorter, especially with the Makashi stuff, just quicker movements. But so for me, maybe they're a little bit too broad, but they sound great. So if you're just into just the slow stuff with, say you're battling your Padawan, this'll actually put some sound fonts in there that'll match the swings. So from top to bottom, this is Ninja-Jedi's Darktron. There's a door there. Take this thing out once and for all. Anyway, I thank you very much again for watching. Ninja-Jedi, you did it again, brother. Always a solid set, and man, always fun to do your sounds, man. It's always a pleasure. Apparently there's more on the way from you too, so... Anyway, they reformed, and everybody watching this, I thank you very much for watching, and keep those sound fonts coming. I shall review them. And this has been recorded on May the 4th, so just a little bonus there. May the 4th be with you. There, I said it. Nice, thanks again for watching, guys. We shall chat with you soon.